Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 seat belt warning light issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. The seat belt warning light in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as staying illuminated or sounding a chime even when seat belts appear to be properly fastened. Verified owner reports and service information show that seat belt warning light concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on restraint system design, sensor inputs, and electronic controls. One verified and frequently reported cause involves seat belt buckle switch issues. The buckle contains an internal sensor that detects whether the belt is latched. Wear, internal failure, or contamination inside the buckle can cause the system to incorrectly register the belt as unfastened. Another confirmed cause relates to seat occupancy or weight sensor behavior. In vehicles equipped with passenger seat sensors, incorrect readings or sensor faults may trigger the warning light even when the seat is empty or properly occupied. Wiring and connector issues are also documented factors. Loose connections, damaged wiring under the seats, or connector movement from seat adjustment can interrupt sensor signals and activate the warning light. Body control module or restraint control module related behavior has also been reported. These modules process seat belt and occupancy data, and faults, communication errors, or software-related issues can lead to incorrect warning activation. Low system voltage or battery-related concerns are another verified consideration. Voltage fluctuations during startup or low battery conditions may temporarily trigger warning lights until normal voltage is restored. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include debris inside the buckle mechanism, aftermarket seat covers interfering with sensors, or calibration issues after seat repairs. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include inspecting seat belt buckles for proper operation, checking wiring and connectors under the seats, scanning restraint control modules for fault codes, addressing battery or voltage issues, and recalibrating or replacing faulty sensors when confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 seat belt warning light issues are resolved through buckle replacement, wiring repair, or sensor recalibration rather than airbag system replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, seating configuration, and electronic system design. In conclusion, Ford F-150 seat belt warning light concerns are typically linked to buckle sensor faults, seat occupancy sensor behavior, wiring issues, or control module communication problems. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.